trackers, welcome back to the channel. This is my week in review. It's actually my month in review too for the month of October 2024. I'm taking a little bit different tack this week. Instead of just showing you the end results in my spreadsheet, I recorded a couple videos along the way, and I'm curious if you guys want to know my thought process when I go through and I make trades. And I can do more of that as the week goes on. I'll just record the trades as I do them, and then I can summarize them at the end of the video for the weekend review. So if you want to see more of that, watch this video, and we'll see if I'll probably just keep doing it that way. If you like it, leave me a comment below if you want to see more of my thought process as I make my trades. There's a lot going on this week, so let's jump into it. All right, so I was looking at my options and just checking how they're doing today. SMCX is one that follows SMCI, and it's gone way down. I purchased these, let's see, at $9.94. I was doing a call on these at $11 and collected a good premium there. But since SMCI went way down yesterday, SMCX has done the same thing, so it's really dropped because this is a 2 times leveraged ETF with exposure to Supermicro SMCI. So if SMCI goes down, then this one goes down twice as much. It also goes up twice as much, which is kind of why I like leveraged stocks. But let's see. So my average price was like 9 something, 9.94 is what I purchased these at. I did a buy right covered call, and the stock price has gone way down now to 371. When I saw that go down, I went ahead and bought another 100 shares. So that drops my average cost down to 668. I've got 200 shares now. I might just go ahead and let's look at this. Losing the value in the option. I've collected most of the premium, so I could buy this back for, looks like it's jumped up. Collected 145. I could buy back for 25. A minute ago, this was like $9-10 bucks. Pretty volatile right now. This says 13. Now it's down to 20. I guess I'll watch it, but I might buy this back, and then I can do covered calls at this lower, because I have the lower average cost for this. Anyways, I just thought I'd make a quick video, and I'll be watching this SMCX. And I'm looking at this DPST trade. Got a $95 put. It's due to expire Friday. Collected 160, and it's down to, it cost me 15 bucks to buy this back. So I think I'm just going to close this out. Get that $9,500 released, and I can go make some more money with it. All right, it's Friday, end of the week. It's just before market close. It's about 12:30 my time Pacific, so the market closes at 1. And looks like things have dropped a little bit. They've gone back up a little bit today, but I'm under 40,000 for my count, which kind of sucks. I'd like it to be above 40. It makes me just mentally feel good. But let's see what else is going on. I had purchased these SMCX shares, which is a leveraged ETF on SMCI, and some big shit happened with SMCI today or yesterday. They had their accounting firm quit, and there's a bunch of irregularities, and so they're kind of in some deep trouble as far as accounting and getting their reports out on time, and they could be delisted from the market. I was hoping to do a call on these. I did a call. I did a buy to close. So I saw this going down. I tried to reduce my average cost by buying another 100 shares, which was kind of a mistake. If I had known about SMCI at the time, I wouldn't have done that, but it looks like I'm in the hole, about 914 bucks. And I don't know if this is ever going to recover, because SMCI is just, I'll have to check the news, but this company, it's a big company, and they're partners with NVIDIA. I don't think they're going to go under, but I don't know what's going to happen here. They supply a lot of computers and stuff for for data centers. So that kind of sucks. In other news, I've got this AI call. This is out of the money. It's a $29 call. It's below my cost, but it's not going to go in the money. It's at $25 right now. This AI doesn't expire till next week, so I've got another week here to let this run. And I don't think it's going to get past my strike price, and then I can do some more covered calls against this. So that's right here, AI. Collected $38 in premium there. In other news, this DPST that I had cash secured put out on, I did a buy to close there. It only cost me $15, and collected $160 on that, so I netted $145. Then this SOXL, let's look at that. 2 contracts, collected $80 each, and this is in the money. I'll probably be assigned, but that's okay because it's not too bad. My strike price is 34. So let's say right now, if I wanted to do a sell, if I had these assigned to me, sell call for a week out, at my cost, I could still get a pretty good premium of 84 times 2 contracts. So that's pretty good. I'm happy to hold on to these and keep trading them. NVDA, same thing. Got a 137 put out on this. It went way down this week. So it's in the money, but I'm okay. It's kind of a high price for me to pick these up, but I kind of want to hold NVIDIA because it just seems like such a great company. Like it's going to be one of those in 10 years, you're going to wish you had held on to this. So I'm happy to pick up the shares. And let's see, if I had these shares now, I did sell call for a week out, and I went to my cost at 137. I could still collect $310 for this in premium, so that's still pretty good. So happy with that. So SOXL and NVDA are going to be assigned, and AI is going to expire more than likely, and I'm kind of in the hole on SMCX, and DPST is buy to close. So I have some unrealized losses. I do have some realized losses, which I'll subtract out of my total monthly income from AMZ. And that's the extent of my trading so far this week. You can see my history here on SMCX. Purchased 100 shares at $9.95. Then I did a covered call, collected $145. Then the thing started to tank, so I thought, well, I'll average down, get my share price average down. So I bought 100 more shares at $3.40 per share. And then I bought that contract back for 15. So I collected 145, bought it back for 15, so minus 15. And if I look at 913 is my total return showing here, so minus 914. That puts me at an unrealized loss, I think, of 784. So I guess I'll just hold on to this and see if it comes back up. Looking at the news in Yahoo for SMCI. Stock's been in free fall this week after server maker disclosing accounting firm had resigned, which is not good. Stock dropped 9.3% to $26.39. Of course, I'm on the SMCX, so it's 2 times leveraged, and it's down now to $2.11. So other things that have been going on: deteriorating profit margins, strong sales forecast for 2025, but profit margins are dropping. It was just later that month in August, Hindenburg Research alleged it found glaring accounting and red flags and evidence of undisclosed related party transactions, sanctions, and export control failures, and customer issues. So lots of trouble for this company. Stock has continued to drop. So it really plummeted this week when the accounting firm Ernst & Young had resigned because they can't back up the numbers provided by the company. They don't want to be associated with it. Supermicro disagrees and is seeking new auditors, and they're going to be late filing their, what's it called, the K10 or something. So they're going to be late filing their 10K. Despite all the chaos, some bulls remain. Of the analysts covering Supermicro, 41% rate the shares a buy, according to FactSet, down sharply from 74% in June. So I guess I'm kind of stuck. I'm going to be holding on to this for a while, unless I dump it and take this unrealized loss as a realized loss. So for the month, like I said in previous videos, I've collected this month $535 in AMZ. I got rid of my AMZ this month. I had collected enough premium, but my NAV had gone down, so total realized loss was 288. So if I take 535 and subtract out, let's see, 535 minus 288, that puts my actual profit at 247. So for the month, I'm up to 1503. I'll take it. It's not bad. My goal is 1,000 a month with this small account. So hoping to get maybe the 2,000 something next month, but we'll see. It's November 1st right now. If I do covered call on NVIDIA for my costs at 137 for a week out, I could collect, maybe if it was today, it'd be $300. So right off the bat, $300 in November towards my goal of 1,000. SOXL, same thing. If I did sell call for a week out at 34, I could collect 79 times 2 contracts is 158 plus a 300. So that puts me at 458, almost halfway there at the first of the month towards my $1,000 goal. So that's how things roll. You got to just be patient and take your losses with the market. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. All you got to do is win a little bit more than you lose.